Sabi niya, iba daw yung remand, iba daw yung return, pareho lang din daw yon ng dismissal. Okay? Kasi sinabi ni Cayetano yung salitang return eh. O, kita nyo na, isosoli nyo, ayaw nyo. Eh, dinismiss nyo na yan. Eto ha, ipapanood ko sa inyo. Yan yung sinabi ni Pimentel.
Before acting on the motion of Senator Judge De La Rosa, Senator Judge Pimentel, you may proceed, sir.
Yes, Mr. President. So, meron na palang properly stated motion. Medyo mahaba-haba din yun. And,
Senator Cayetano, I believe, stated it earlier.
yes, the word is return. So, sabi ko nga, kung ang synonym ng forthwith ay immediate, may synonym din po ang dismiss. Yan po ay remand at saka return. Lalo na kung makita natin that the return is not necessary to achieve the goals of the Senate President. Let's just do what the Supreme Court does when it has a case. Let's issue an advisory. Okay. Bigyan natin ng summons para kay impeached officer. Mag-advisory tayo sa House Panel of...
Ito ha, ipapakita natin. Una, sinasabi niya na ang forthwith at immediate ay pareho lang daw. Okay? Ito, ipapakita ko sa inyo, hindi po pareho yan. Para lang naman po sa kaalaman natin. Kasi dito, ipapakita natin kung gaano, ayoko naman sabihin tanga, di ba? Hindi naman maganda sabihin sa isang senador na abogado na tanga siya, di ba? Pangit naman. Pero papakita natin na malabo yung kanyang sinasabi. Bakit po? Pakita natin ha. Ito po, ito. Ayan. The word forthwith and immediate are very similar. They both suggest something should be done without delay. But in legal usage, they have slightly different implications. Ano ba pinag-usapan natin? Legal. So, ibig sabihin, yun ang ating kukuning definasyon. They have slightly different. Meaning, without delay, yung forthwith without delay, but allows for some reasonable time to act. Depende sa circumstances. Depending on the circumstances. Legal use, often used in orders, produce the accused forthwith, where the action should be done as soon as reasonably possible, but not necessarily instantly. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Pag sinabi mo forthwith, i-produce mo yung